Okay, if you're watching this video, hopefully I can save you some money. Artificial intelligence, it is one of the key ingredients that I do to make one hell of a good chicken noodle soup with LiveGood. Okay, I like to use it daily. I try to get the best targeted leads that I can, and after I get those leads, I focus mainly on their email and their Facebook information. Okay, I don't really automate it at this point. I have more success if I do it one by one, believe it or not. And you only need to send out like 25 messages in Facebook. That's all you're doing per day. Because if you do any more on Facebook, they'll nail your butt. And with emails, I find that you can do thousands and thousands, but in the beginning, and I'm going to do training on this coming up, I find that if I just look at an email and it's a Gmail only, and that person is active and they look good, I just go ahead and send them an email right there on the spot. I don't put it like in an autoresponder. I almost think that with NowSite technology sending out thousands over a one-day period, which I can do, I can actually do 2,500 emails a day safely because I have 5 Gmail accounts that can do 500 now. I've warmed them up to that. I almost think I have more success by if I find someone with a Gmail and they look good, I just go ahead and send the message right there on the spot. Why wait? You know what I mean? So anyway, let me show you the message. Okay, and let me try to find it. Okay, there it is. Let me put it up on the screen here. I got some things in the way. Okay, can you see it? I'll just try to put it right there in the front. There we go. This is what I do now. I make this so dang simple. This is all I text message people. This is how I Facebook people in their message inbox. And this is what I send people if they just ask me through my YouTube channel. And this is just what I do. Hey there, might have heard about this already. Just worth taking a look. It's a short video, nothing to buy. Now I own this domain, pleasewatchvideo.com. And what that does is it just goes right to my LiveGood capture page. Since I'm not spamming and blasting out mass email, I'm just seeing one person at a time. I look at them and they look awesome, and I just send this message to them. Thanks for your time. I know you're busy, Corey. And then right here, actually, I'm going to add this because I do this. I actually put underneath, and my message says this. I'm just doing this for this example. But I'm a big fan of putting contact information back. Because if people are nice enough to give you 5 or 6 minutes to watch their video of Ben, I mean, it's our video. It's Ben, our CEO, talking. It's 6 minutes of their time, and that's valuable. So I give them threefold back. If I have to spend 18 minutes of them bugging me, they ain't bugging me. They can text, they can ask me questions. Most of their questions I can simply just point to the livegood.com FAQ section. But anyway, with NowSite technology, if you click below, you can get this technology. I'm going to do an insane amount of tutorials, my way of teaching, which I think kicks ass because I can make it super simple and get right to the point. And right now, if you put in promo code 49, it's got to be unlimited. But right now, they gave me a 50% off code that's valid right now as of June. Let's see, it's June 9th it is now. As of midnight here, it looks like June 9th. Promo code 49. That's good for 30 days, and they'll probably extend it because I've got a lot of people right now rocking with NowSite, and they seem to like it. So far, so good. And with their performance kicking ass in the next day or two, oh no, you know what? It's about a week. I apologize. They told me mid-June they're gonna go ahead and really up their marketing. They just bought Contact Mapping. This is one of the biggest marketing companies in the world. NowSite just bought it. And what I'm interested in is their marketing techniques. It's all built in. It's all free. It's all the same price. It's not free. I'm sorry. It's the same price you're paying now. But they have a whole professional marketing campaign. And on top of that, if you want to do emails, they're going to have a feature where it just gets emails that are Gmail, not all the business ones and all the other ones that don't deliver. Gmail to Gmail, that is where it's at. Some will go to spam, but you know what? If you're going to go ahead and Gmail, I think that's the way to go. Okay, so anyway, more about that coming up later. I just wanted to make a video just saying if you want NowSite technology, I've got a link obviously below the video, and put in promo code 49. I just tested it and it did work, just to prove it to you. Okay, here's the link. Do you see where it says get started? Click that purple button right there. Okay, now look in the center of my screen because this is important. Do you see this button? Oh, sorry, it's a little slow. I'm uploading a bunch of video right now. All right. Okay, this is where people kind of trip up. See in the middle here, it's on default by annual. You've got to put this white button to the left. You want it to be 99 unlimited for the month. Okay, now hit get unlimited. Okay, now let me move my big giant face out of the way. Do you see where it says promo code? Put in promo code 49 and then hit apply, and look what it does. Bam! You get it for only 49 bucks for the next 30 days. Okay? That is awesome. So what I recommend is if you do get it, let's just get you an insane amount of contacts. Because with those contacts, you can email them and Facebook them like I do. If you want to LinkedIn and Twitter and get a hold of them through Messenger as well, and text, they have that. That's awesome too. They have all of it available. But what I do is I just Gmail to Gmail, because you set up NowSite with a Gmail account, and I only get a hold of people via Gmail. And on top of that, I go ahead and I'll do a couple messages to them, only 25 a day. That's about what Facebook will allow before they get pissed off at you. And that's more than enough, because if you get one sign up a day, that's awesome. Facebook's always going to be the best. So anyway, do promo code 49. Let's get you in NowSite, and let's get you an insane amount of contacts. I'm talking thousands, because that'll last you all through summer. Because each one that you contact, you just don't do one little message and say, hey, this is Corey, look at this. You got to get a hold of them like 5 to 7 times. And then they probably go, okay, I don't need it anymore. They'll let you know. And sometimes they'll delete your message and go, God, what happened to that opportunity? So don't feel bad if you got to get a hold of people 5 to 7 times. That's just how it is in marketing. That's very common. So don't freak out. I know it sounds too many times, but it's not. So anyway, thanks for watching my video. All right. So far, so good. Just check out that link. And if you put in promo code 49, they just authorize that to go ahead and shave off 50 bucks. Over the next 30 days. And then we're going to get you so many damn leads. You're going to be so busy, and we're going to get you pre-enrolls, and dang it, we're going to build that downline of yours. Okay, let's do it. All right. Thanks guys for watching, and I'll see you guys next video. Joincorey.com. Right.